everyone. Today's a very exciting day because the very first Read with Kylie kit went home with an actual tiny human today. So they are going to start their journey of seeing their little one, connecting, and having a fun time through literacy. So I wanted to show you what's in the kit, but I also wanted to show you what was in my kit that I made myself before I started Read with Kylie, to show you that even if you aren't on my school, that you can do this on your own at home. So the first thing that is in the kit is the Read with Kylie Teach Your Child How to Read Parent Guide. So this has everything you need. It'll tell you each part of the routine, why we do it, and then how you do it with your little one. But the great news is it's available for free to print online. So if you don't have a kit, just go online and you can print it or even read it online on the website. Next up, we have our sets of flashcards. So we have the high frequency word flashcards and the letter sound flashcards. And again, these are available for you to print and download. They have all of your directions, everything you need, even parent notes on the card. But for me and my little one, I just wrote the words. So you can download these and print them from my site, or you can make your own. And either way is just great. Next up, we have our decodable readers. They are Bob books, and you can find them in the library. They'll be here in your kit. I personally found mine on the side of the road of a Goodwill, and I asked if I could buy them, and they were like, nah, they're free, just take them, because they're everywhere. That's why I picked them. They're like the most popular decodables on the market. Next up, we have an LCD board. So these are what your little one can write with in the connected writing portion of the lesson. They're super fun and they just erase. And what's really great is kids can write with them using their finger if they're not ready to hold their pencil yet, or really anything in your house they can write with. I personally used a whiteboard, which you can find these at the dollar store, or you can really just use paper and pencil or anything around your house to write with. The last thing in my kit is How Your Brain Learns to Read by Denise Ide. Now, I did not personally read this with my little one, but when I read it, I was obsessed. So I wanted to make sure I put them in the kits for you. They walk you through the process of how your brain learns to read. And then they also put all of these really cool parent tips within. So it's a great way to explain it to your little one. And even you can learn along the way too. So that is what is in these physical kits. Thank you so much to the ADF grant for making this possible. But even if you are from far away, the knowledge of how your brain learns to read is still free on my site. And the most important part of this whole experience, you already have it because it's you and your child. So I hope you have fun reading, and I can't wait to hear more about your journey. Hey everyone, today's a very exciting day because the very first Read with Kylie